Let me hit you with the truth. If you're still a general VA, you are replaceable. You are competing with thousands of others, all charging rock bottom rates, all doing the same thing. And guess what? Clients don't care. Pipiliin pa rin nila yung pinakamura. Now, alam ko to kasi I've spent 20 years in the BPO call center industry, grinding day and night. At nung naisip kong pupunta ako sa freelancing, I was so desperate. Hindi ako makakita ng kliyente, hindi rin ako makakuha ng trabaho, hindi ako makakuha ng kliyente, for short. Naisip ko pa nga, I considered taking a low-paying customer service VA job kasi yun lang yung alam kong gawin mag-customer service. Just to say and put into my resume that I'm doing a VA work. But I made a decision that changed my life. I specialize. And that's what I'm here to tell you. Specialization is the only way to escape low rates and build a high income VA career. Let me break it down for you. When I started in 2020, pandemic yon, I was a general Amazon VA. Ang dami kong ginagawa like, tumutulong ako sa product research, sa listings, admin task, encoding the inventory, ilan pa ba yung stocks namin, all those things. Pero alam ko sa sarili ko, I didn't want to be a VA for every industry. I wanted to be in the Amazon space only. And then I discovered something powerful. Alam ko kasi na may core gift ako. Ginagamit namin sa call center to. I was good with spreadsheets, numbers, and creating formula. At tuwan-tuwa ako pag nag-a-analyze ako ng data. At doon ko natagpuan na ang linya ko ay Amazon PPC or advertising. Kasi talaga mas spreadsheets yun eh. Tatlo, apat na spreadsheets yun all coming into one. So, I invested in myself. I joined and enrolled FPPCM, Filipino PPC Masters. Nag-aral ako, pinractice ko, and then I become an expert sa iisa lang. And that one thing, which is Amazon advertising, became my ticket to premium clients, higher rates, and global opportunities. Ito ang totoo dyan. Generalists compete on price. Specialists compete on value. Experts don't chase clients. Clients chase them. Ang ganda, di ba? So, kung gusto mong kumita pa, eto ang mga kailangan mong gawin. Turuan kita. One, know your core gift. Sinabi ko na kanina. So, tignan mo kung saan ka ba magaling. What are you naturally great at? Number two, choose your niche. Pick one industry, one service, and go deep. Three, invest in yourself. Courses, mentorship, certification, these are not expenses. They are your future. So, being a VA isn't just getting an online jobs. It's about building a career that pays you what you're worth. Meron kang talento, you have a gift, you have a skill, pero kung hindi mo siya, if you don't sharpen it, and if you don't specialize, mananatili ka dyan sa sitwasyon mo. Okay? So, apat na kliyente, doing all this work, kailangan mo matulog. Mananatili ka dyan if you don't sharpen your gift. Right? I'm telling you this because nabuhay ako ng ganyan dati. So, nahihirapan ako dati makakuha ng kliyente, ng mga premium clients na gusto ko. And now, to a leading an Amazon agency working with global brands and empowering Filipino talents to world-class standards. So, if you are watching this and you're still unsure, this is your sign, right? Stop being a jack of all trades. Start being a master of one. Specialize, invest, and elevate. If this video opened your mind, hit like, subscribe, and share it. Please share it to someone who needs to hear this. Let's build a generation of Filipino VAs who are not just working, but winning.